Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a payment method on Walmart. Open the website at walmart.com, then click Account. Then, a drop-down list will appear. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now enter your email address. After entering, click on Sign In. Then, enter your password. Once entered, click Sign In. Once you are signed in, you will see a section for Wallet at the middle part of the screen. Click on the payment method you wish to add, either a credit/debit card, gift card, EBT, or benefit card. In this video, we selected credit/debit card. Now, enter your card credentials. After entering, click on the Save Card button. And now your card has been added. That's how you add a payment method on Walmart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.